Hi folks, Mitten Magpie Trish here with a quick tip video for winter sowing. I'm in Lower Michigan and we have a last frost date around the first 2 weeks of May. So I like to start winter sowing in February. I started these two types of tomato seeds. You can use milk jugs like you see here, or I've also used reusable containers too in the past. I cut these jugs near the middle with a knife just up to either side of the handle so I could have a flip-top container. I also cut small slits in the bottom for drainage. I used a hole punch to put one hole on each half of the container. I added my soil, topped with a few seeds and another light layer of soil. I put a zip tie through the holes I punched in each half to keep it together. I used a marker to write what seeds I used and placed them outside without the milk jug tops. I did water it once, but snow and rain usually does the trick after that where I live. But I will keep an eye on them closer to May to make sure they aren't too dry. This is just one way of winter sowing. I hope this piques your interest and I hope it helps.